Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix not receive message on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you done that, you simply need to go into the settings and then you need to go into the app management and click on app list and search for Instagram like I am doing, and click on storage and cache. And first you need to clear cache and then you need to click on clear storage. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and turn off your smartphone and turn on again and log in your Instagram account and open the messenger icon in the top right and select any conversation and send a demo message. I'm going to send a demo message. Okay, so as you can see that this message is sent. So by following these steps you can easily fix Instagram message problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.